What's up, guys? They watching another video. You guys might remember that Lambo from the last vlog, but we out here with Joseph right now from 402. We're actually shooting content of the Lambo for 402's page. Brought my big camera out here, so we're gonna get all the good content of this car. I also thought I'd vlog it while I'm out here. It's a little hard to vlog while I'm shooting for him, but I'm gonna try to film the best I can. I know you guys want to see that. We're also in, I don't know if you guys can tell, we're in Marlin's G80 M3, guys. This thing is so sick. Marlin's the owner of DME. G80 is insane. It's like fully spec'd out, as you guys can see. It has the big dash, so a huge screen, and it has the carbon bucket seats. Literally the most fire spec ever, bro. Oh my god, it's also very fast. I'm pretty sure I can smoke the Aventador. Which sounds crazy. A BMW beating an Aventador, bro, it's crazy. I'll show you guys the outside of this car when we stop right now, but it's that like matte gray one. Paint, frozen gray paint, guys, with red interior. Super sick spec. Anyways, we're about to film some cool content of the Lambo, so stay tuned. Get ready for a bunch of V12 content, guys. It's literally my dream car. And I'm pretty sure a lot of your guys' dream car too. It's a Lamborghini Aventador. I don't know about you guys, but I personally think the Aventador is probably one of the best sounding cars in the world, bro. You guys wanna know something crazy? That Aventador, I think, is like a 2012. It's very, very old, but it doesn't even look old. Or like 2013 maybe. But isn't that crazy that they don't even look that old? They look like a 2023. God damn, it shoots flames too, bro. But yeah, you would not expect that thing to be that old. Imagine having an Aventador in 2012. You're really that guy back then. You're that guy right now. Imagine back then, bro. I feel like the Aventador was made way before its time, you know? How do I know if this is in two-wheel drive or all-wheel drive? I want to make sure it's in all-wheel drive. I'm not trying to lose control, bro. Damn, bro, this thing is insanely fast. I just did a pull right now, and I'm not used to driving a fast car anymore, guys. I've been driving the F80 so much recently, and a bone stock F80 isn't that fast. It's quick, but it's nothing like this, bro. This car's honestly way faster than my GTR 2, for sure, bro. And keep in mind, I have not driven my GTR in 2 months, so I'm not used to any fast cars. F80 is fun to drive, but I feel like the G80 kind of has all of it. The speed, the handling, everything, bro. Bucket seats? Shh, I've never driven one with the bucket seats, actually. Pretty sick, you can change everything from sport, sport plus, efficient, the chassis, you can change the steering, the braking, and I think the best feature is you can change it from all-wheel drive to two-wheel drive in just a button, guys. That's it. I think that's the sickest feature they have on the G80s. The X-Drives, if you want to drift, you can put it two-wheel drive. If you want to go fast, put it all-wheel drive. I think it's freaking awesome. I wish the GTR had that. Bro, that thing looks so good. It's actually matte PPF on it, guys. Damn, bro, that's why it has like a satin finish to it. I always said if I get a Lambo, I kind of want it like just black, all blacked out. But I'm not gonna lie, the bright colors do look good on those cars. And I'm sorry if I'm getting a little annoying, but tomorrow is the merch drop, guys. My last reminder, tomorrow's the merch drop, July 28th, Friday. We are dropping these hats as well as another hat and 2 shirts, also a ski mask too. So don't forget, tomorrow, Friday, July 28th at 12 p.m., I'm dropping all the new merch, guys. The whole new Live Fast merch drop. Live fast, just like how we drive fast cars all the time, and also just in life. You gotta live fast, take risks, go for your dreams, guys. Don't even think about things, just go for it, just live fast. I mentioned it in my last video, but yeah, these hats and the shirts are super good quality. Trust me, guys, this is the best quality merch I've ever dropped in my life. This isn't just some YouTube merch. This is like real clothing brand clothing, you know what I mean? I cannot wait for you guys to get them. Is that a bug, bro? Oh, hell no. I'll do a little pull for you in the G80. Oh my god, it's spitting crazy flames. See, guys, you gotta live fast, bro. God damn, bro. I literally could just sit here and film the Aventador all day and just listen to it. You know how crazy this shit is. God damn, that shit is strong. Bro, the fumes actually burn your eyes. I got way too close. Look how sick this shit is, guys. You know what I mean? Like, it does not look like an older Aventador. It doesn't look like 2012 at all. It literally looks like it just came off the lot. But like I said, it's actually PPF, guys. This is the OEM color. Look at, with the light on, you can actually see the sparkle. So that's pretty sick how they PPF'd it. You can kind of see the sparkle under the satin too. It's a very sick color. The orange interior too, and and the crutches. Keep in mind, Joseph's still with only 1 foot right now, guys. He broke his leg a few weeks ago and he's still limping around and driving supercars with 1 foot and crutches. All right, guys, we made it to Malibu now. We've been driving for about like 30 minutes maybe. Oh my God, Marlon's front lip. I didn't do that, right? I don't think so, but this is Marlon's G80, guys. Looks super freaking sick. Like I said, it's probably one of the best looking specs. As you can tell, this is not a wrap. This is actually paint, bro. A satin or frozen gray with the red interior, bucket seats, and the big screen. So sick. This thing is awesome, bro. It's so fun to drive. The bucket seats are not that uncomfortable as you would think, guys. They look very uncomfortable, but they're not that bad once you're just cruising around. They actually do hug you too, like in the canyons and stuff like that. It does feel really sick. It's very fast. Probably, I would assume, close to like 800 horsepower. These cars full bolt-on and tune are like 800 horsepower, which is crazy. I'm pretty sure they have bigger plans for it soon, but this thing is crazy. HRE wheels. It's so dirty right now. We parked it in the dirt. Marlon, if you're watching, Joseph told me to park it in the dirt, all right? I didn't want to put it in the dirt. Joseph told me to park it here because we might do some flybys with the Lambo. But yeah, it's been pretty hard to film because I am actually like the driver right now. I'm driving the G80 and trying to film out with my phone out the window at the same time. And I had to like place the G80 in the perfect spot to get the perfect shot of the Lambo. Joseph said you might want to race the Lambo versus the G80, so we'll actually see who's faster. Comment down below, what are your bets on the Aventador or the G80? Oh my God, this shit is so fast, bro. That wasn't even on Sport Plus, bro. I should have brought a GoPro. That would have been a sick video right now. Look at the screen, bro. I can't get over how big this screen is. This with the whole digital dash, really insane. Look at this dude. What the? All right, let's race this Aventador, bro. Guys, I did not know it has this. I'm not pushing the gas, look. It's driving on its own, bro, like a Tesla. There's no way Marlon has this. I knew it was like the max optioned out G80 you can buy, but damn, that's crazy. So it pretty much has like the autopilot steering and braking and everything. And I'm literally not driving. Look it. I did not know they had this. Watch, it's gonna come to a brake. I'm not even gonna push the brakes, guys. No way it's braking on its own. No way, bro. There's no way. Look, I'm gonna keep my feet right here, guys, so you guys can see. Look at this. It's driving on its own. No. Bro, this is insane. It's pretty scary to trust in such an expensive car. And it's not my car either. Like, it's gonna stay in the lines. Wow, that is insane, bro. I'm not driving. That might have just sold me on a G80 even more now. Look at this. Imagine gapping someone on autopilot. Oh my God. This shit is so fun, bro. I wonder if there's actual launch control. I don't know how to do it, so I'm just gonna stomp on the brake and just go for it. Oh my God, bro. I'm sure Marlon or Joseph can launch it way harder than me, but that was my first time ever launching this car. It's pretty fun. Guys, guess what? I just got word up too. We might have got good news. The homie Chris sent this video. You guys know what that is. My GTR, my baby, bro. Oh my God. And look what he said, guys. Car will be ready in an hour. And look how bad my brake pads were, by the way. He's hooking me up with some new brake pads. But dude, my car's gonna be done in 1 hour, I think. There's no way my GTR is gonna be done, guys. You don't know how excited I am, bro. I can't wait to get my car back. So many people have been wanting me to sell my GTR. And right now, it kind of feels like I sold my GTR, guys. I haven't had it for 2 months, and I freaking miss it. It's literally my dream car. You guys know that. I know if I would have sold it, I'd be missing it just like this. I feel like I sold it right now. But you guys gotta stay tuned for the next vlog because that has to be a whole vlog on its own. This thing's so sick. Freaking race car, bro. But this thing was fun to drive. Hopefully Marlon don't get mad at me. Shit is so sick. HRE wheels. And he has the new front bumper too. Forgot the company that makes it, but they kind of like redesigned the entire front bumper of the G80. Carbon fiber side skirts, red buckets. This thing is sick. Now part of me does like the F80 look better though. Oh my God, big ass airplane. Yeah, part of me likes the F80 a little bit more. I don't know, they're both sick in their own ways. F80 is just timeless, bro. This shit looks so nice. Anyways, I'm so excited, guys. Hopefully we pick up my GTR tonight. God damn, it is full in here, bro. There's so many cars. We didn't get to race because there was just so much traffic, guys. So hard. I couldn't even enjoy the G80 as much because this traffic's just horrible, but that sucks. I wish we could have got a race, and I wish I would have enjoyed the G80 more. Maybe we'll do another video with the G80. Look at this thing. I think it's some YouTuber's guy's car, and I love his plate, bro. No views. That is funny. DDE has the best freaking plate, guys. He has the one that says clickbait on it. That'll be perfect for me, huh? I know you guys hate my clickbait. I think it's a 458, right? Or 488. I think it's 488. Looks super sick. Little fender vents. These wheels. I believe they're Boston wheels. That's just fire. 2 G80s. Fun fact, this is actually a boyfriend and girlfriend's car. Goals, huh? They got sick ass specs. It's like a, is it ultraviolet purple? I don't know. Very sick purple though. Frozen white paint. And they both got matching interior. White bucket seats on both of them. And they're both stick shift. So she drives a stick shift, he drives a stick shift. And there's a lot of sick ass cars. What the? I don't know how I feel about the wing. All right guys, Joseph will really show you guys how to drive that car. Who remembers when Joseph had an F80? There's no way. Back in the F80. This thing definitely feels a little slower. It still feels fun though. Marlon's G80 is just way faster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it was very short video. If you guys enjoyed it, smash the like button. I'm sorry, I've been doing like 20-minute vlogs. So doing these short videos again, I'm not used to it. We're about to bust a mission right now. We got 55 minutes till we get home. And then from home to the shop, we have another hour. And we're gonna pick up my GTR tonight, guys. I cannot wait. I'm super impatient. We can wait till tomorrow, but I can't wait. I gotta go get it tonight. That's gonna be the next vlog for you guys. It'll be the first vlog with the GTR back and the first vlog with the F80 and the GTR together. Cannot wait to see both my cars together, bro. Who is honking at me? It's actually one of the homies. It's actually the homie who works Smash the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss next vlog. We're picking up the GTR. Let's go, bro. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.